How to get the best Dr. Berg discount promo codes. Want to get the best discounts on Dr. Berg supplements? Here's how to find and use promo codes for maximum savings. So start by checking trusted coupon websites such as Coupon Follow, Simply Codes, and Retail Me Not. Verified codes here often give you 15 to 30% off plus free shipping on large orders. Always use verified codes first. These are tested and guaranteed to work, unlike community submitted codes which may be expired. So sign up for Dr. Berg's newsletter. Subscribers often get exclusive promo codes and seasonal discounts sent directly to their inbox. Biggest discounts usually happen during seasonal sales like Black Friday or New Year. Plan your purchases around these events. Many codes include free shipping when you spend over a certain amount, like $160. Combine this with a discount code for maximum savings, and that is how you can get the best Dr. Berg discount promo codes.